Hi, my name is Marilyn, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this lustrous makeup look. It's going to contain elements of iridescence, glitter, glowing skin, and all things shiny, so let's get started. The skin prep for this look is going to be very important. Since my skin is a little more on the dry side, I'm going to be going in with a thinner moisturizer, just so that it doesn't make my skin look overly greasy. To give my skin that glowing from within look, I'm applying an illuminating primer. For foundation today, I'm using a high coverage, dewy foundation. For the most coverage, I'm using stippling motions with my brush. For concealer, I'm using a paler shade to help highlight my face for the glow that we're going to go in with later. To help blend that in, I'm going over it one more time with my foundation shade. For eyebrows, I'm going for more of a soft ombre kind of look. I start with the tail and lining under the eyebrow. I'm first sketching out the shape using an eyeshadow and an angled brush. I like to seal off the arch and the tail of my brow using a liquid liner. To blend out that harsh line that I just made with that liner, I'm going to go back in with the black eyeshadow. For a super clean brow, I'm just going back in against the edges with concealer. Now with the translucent setting powder, I'm going to lock in this base. I already went ahead and finished off this eye off camera, so let's recreate it on the other side. To make sure that all of these eyeshadows pop, I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow base. For the crease, I'm going to be using a pastel purple color using a fluffy brush. Under the eye, I'm going to be using a pastel blue color using a crease brush to really blow it out. To define my eye sockets, I'm going in with the black shadow. To pack it on, I'm going to be using a flat eyeshadow brush, and then with the clean brush, I'm just going to smoke out the edges. For the center of the lid, I'm going to be creating a gradient using my fingers. First, I'm going to pick up a purple shimmery eyeshadow, and on the center, I'm going in with a really bright blue color. Now I'm just going back in with the black eyeshadow to redefine and clean up the edges of those shimmer shadows. Now I'm going in with a creamy black pencil eyeliner to use as a base for my under eye. To blend that out, I'm using a smudger brush. I'm going to leave it tacky in the inner corner and in the center of the lid, and set the other parts with a black shadow. In the center, I'm taking that same purple shadow from my lid. And for the inner corner, I'm using an iridescent blue eyeshadow. Using it over a black base will really intensify it and make it glow. Now that all of my shadows are placed, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the bottom lash line by adding glitter where the black parts are. To finish off the lid, I'm adding a brow bone highlight and lining the top of my lash line with a thin band of black matte liner. While my eyelashes dry, I'm going to go into the waterline with the pale eyeliner and mascara. And with the pale shimmer color, I'm going to go in the center of the eye duct to make the inner corner glow even more. To finish off the face, I'm going to go in with my contour color and carve out my cheekbones, chin, temples, and nose. For blush, I'm going in with a pale purple color. Now I'm going to go in with the foundation powder, and this is going to help redefine the edges of all of the work I just did. My lip combo is black liquid lipstick, iridescent blue eyeshadow on the top lip, purple iridescent eyeshadow on the bottom lip, and a black holographic glitter gloss. Now that the makeup is complete, there's just 2 more steps, so I'm going to seal it all in using a matte setting spray. And to top it off, I'm going in with highlighter. This one is a blue iridescent pigment. And this is my completed look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel as well. For a closer look of this makeup, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MarilynMugBeat. I'll see you next time. Bye!